Most people get this wrong when trying to increase their Albert Cash advance limit. They keep requesting larger advances without improving the factors that actually affect eligibility. Here's the truth: no one tells you. Your advance limit is usually influenced by your account activity, income patterns, and overall account history. In this video, I'll show you practical ways to potentially increase your Albert Cash advance limit in 2026 and avoid the mistakes that prevent many users from qualifying for higher amounts. Let's get right into it. The first thing you should focus on is maintaining consistent direct deposits. Financial apps often look for regular income patterns when determining eligibility and advance amounts. If your paycheck arrives consistently, it can help demonstrate account stability. For example, John receives a regular paycheck every 2 weeks. Over time, that consistent income pattern provides a clearer picture of his financial activity compared to someone with irregular deposits. Next, keep your linked bank account active and in good standing. Frequent overdrafts, returned payments, or negative balances may affect your eligibility for larger advances. But here's the problem. Many people only think about increasing their limit when they need money urgently. This is where most people fail. The best time to improve your eligibility is before you need a larger advance. Building a strong account history takes time, and waiting until the last minute may not produce immediate results. Now here's where it gets interesting. Using the app regularly can sometimes help establish a more complete account profile. Consistent usage allows the platform to better understand your financial patterns over time. In a minute, I'll show you one simple habit that many users overlook. Make sure your personal information and banking details are accurate and up to date. Incorrect information can create verification issues that may affect account features and eligibility. For example, Alex updated his banking information after switching accounts. Keeping everything current helped avoid unnecessary account problems and interruptions. Now, for the overlooked tip. Avoid actions that create account instability. Frequent bank account changes, missed repayments, or irregular account activity can make it harder for financial apps to assess your eligibility for higher advance amounts. Remember, there is no guaranteed method to instantly increase your cash advance limit. Eligibility and available amounts can vary between users based on individual account factors and platform requirements. To recap, maintain consistent direct deposits, keep your bank account healthy, use the app regularly, update your information, and build a positive account history over time. These are the most effective ways to improve your chances of qualifying for a higher Albert Cash advance limit. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more financial app tutorials, and leave a comment below with your experience using Albert. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.